Hi folks, I'm Connor Batank with RE/MAX Professionals and the Real Estate Experience, and I'm coming from the southwest of Edmonton, located in the community of the Orchards. I've got a gorgeous two-story home that's coming up on the market. It is a gorgeous home that features just over 2,200 square feet of living space. There's a few awesome features about this house that I want to take you through in a minute, but first let's talk about the location. We are staged at a prime spot that is close to all the amenities that you will use. You've got great access to schools as well as transportation. The Anthony Henday is just a hop, skip, and a jump, so getting around Edmonton you can do with relative ease. As well, all the shopping that you can imagine is located just at Ellerslie or even South Edmonton Common. This is just a great spot, but now let's get back to the house and go through a few things that I think you're gonna love. Number one, you got a nice big open kitchen. Number two, you get a nice bright open great room. Number three, there's a den on the main floor. And number four, you've got a nice sized bonus room with a vaulted ceiling. And number five, you've got 1, 2, 3 bedrooms, and the ensuite leads us to number 6. It's a 5-piece ensuite with a deep soaker tub. And number 7, you know you can't live without the central air conditioning. Oh yeah, I've kind of saved the best for last, and that's number 8. And this home backs on to a park. Okay, so it's about time we head inside. So I'd like to welcome you to 5111 Crab Apple Link. So that wraps up the video tour. If you've watched to this point, I'd like to thank you guys for sticking around. Please consider pressing that share button and let's help this home find its new owner. Again, my name's Connor Batank with RE/MAX Professionals, and this is the Real Estate Experience. Thanks for watching.